Mostly here in my place, you wake up with a kakapuni of the birds. I do these huts for the traditional style to share my culture to other country. A peaceful life, a simple and peaceful life. More people now is open-minded about the culture because they didn't want to destroy the planet. The cooking is my passion. I use the endemic species found here. If not necessary, I didn't cook meat. If someone asking for me, I cook meat too, but I prefer to cook vegan food. I decided I want to become a volunteering host. When I accepting the volunteering, I almost like I've traveled around the world because I know the culture of every country. If I need help, I ask to my volunteers to help, but I didn't require a work for whole day working. I want their time to enjoy. I think people they coming there just because they find a way how to escape in the very crowded place. I treat my guests as my family. I introduce to my friend. My place is like their home from a distant land. For me, the very special in my place, and that's you cannot found in other place. I put in my rules. This is my special rules here in my accommodation. You need to follow. I'm happy for these rules because everyone follow my rules, and the people didn't follow my rules, I kick out in my home. That's all things.